Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing my summer Fabfitfun box for 2021. I'm going to start off just showing you when you sign up and they offer you a free $125 mystery bundle. I'm just going to show you what that looked like for me. So I received the Ahava Dead Sea Salt bath salts, the Lashes MD eye conditioner, and a bracelet of sorts, or some sort of jewelry. Oh, it's actually, it's very pretty. It's very cute. So those are the three things. They're supposed to equal the value of $125. I can tell you I've received this Lashes MD before, and I used it. I thought it was, maybe it was okay. I've heard good things about it. I stopped using it because I had an eye irritation that I don't think was caused by that. And then I just never went back to it. So I saw that it was, actually I'll preface this by saying this was a hero item in a Fabfitfun box last year. And in this summer's box, it actually was one of the choices in Customization 6 that I did not choose. Anyway, so I've got two of those. So overall, Ahava is a good brand. I know a lot of people like getting jewelry. I mean, it's a very generous free gift for signing up to a box that I already think is a very good deal. So anyway, if you're ever curious as to what that looks like, it's different for everyone all the time, but that's what they sent to me. So, I'm an annual subscriber. I actually subscribe to two separate boxes, I have two separate summer subscriptions, because I find that the choices are so good these days that I actually want at least one or two things in every category. Either I wouldn't mind a duplicate of the one item, or there's so many good choices it's hard to choose. And I find that when you are allowed to add on for an extra $15 for every customization, or 10 or 7, it's actually cheaper just to get two boxes, and then you get to fully customize two boxes, which is why I really like being an annual member. So as an annual member, I receive two subscriptions. They come completely separately. The day that I received my summer box for Fabfitfun, I actually received a shipping notification for my other box. So that's interesting. Anyway, I can see some of the extra choices are already here in my box. They are add-ons. So even though I have two subscriptions, I actually even added on more than that. And I'll show you here. If you don't have Fabfitfun, it comes seasonally. It's $50 a month $50 a season for the box. And if you subscribe annually, you get $5 off of that. I'm in Canada, so I have to pay shipping. If you're in the US, you get free shipping. Other than that, I think it's always a really good deal. If everything that's going on in the world, I even feel guilty unboxing things, but I have to say, like, Fabfitfun has been sort of a bright light with all of the bad news. It's something to look forward to. It's something fun to talk about in the community with other people. It's exciting to see what products are going to be there. I love Fabfitfun products, and I could walk you through my house and say, this is Fabfitfun, this is Fabfitfun. I use the stuff regularly. Some things are hits and some things are misses, but more things I've discovered to be great products than I've discovered not to be. And it doesn't mean that they're not good products. They're just not for everybody. They come with stickers. You know me. If you watch my channel primarily for paper crafting, you know I love my stickers. It comes with a magazine that will tell us some prices and such. Oh, polka dot paper. Recyclable, that's new. Hello Fresh. They always have little gift certificates and stuff. I never know if they work in Canada. Okay, customization number 1 was a really difficult choice for me. I don't have a PMD. I did choose it for my other box, and in this box I chose the picnic blanket. This would have been really handy when my son played soccer. We always used to bring the girls to watch on the sidelines, and instead of folding chairs, a blanket would have been perfect. This is actually really soft, and I'm actually surprised at the color. It almost looks more like a coral pink than a true pink, is what I was expecting that I got, but I quite like it. It's huge and it folds up cute. I always wonder how easy it'll be to be able to fold it up. Look at this, I can't even put it back the way that they sent me. Let's see if it folds back, rolls back up here. Okay. See, that's tricky. I can't even get it to assemble in the way that they sent it to me. I'm gonna try this again. This was my biggest concern. The other one I do have has soccer balls all over it. Oh, there we go. I was able to do it. And it folds up, and I've figured that one out pretty well, but I'm happy with this choice. There was a beautiful pattern of like a wrap, scarf, skirt. You could wear it so many different ways that I really, really loved, and it was hard to not choose that for this category, but knowing me, even though I loved the pattern, it wouldn't really be something I would wear very often. So, okay, so that's the first category. Okay, category 2. Oh, category 2 is this item right here. Speaking of picnics, surprisingly, I actually did not choose this item last time. This is a throwback item, and it came in the summer 2019 box. And I really loved the pattern. I thought it looked like a great bag. I just was overloaded with bags, and I just got a new lunch bag, so I did not choose this last time, even though I really liked it. However, I found that the lunch bag that I have isn't quite big enough, and I'm starting a new job in about a week and a half, and the job is a full solid 8 hours where you're not allowed to leave. So I am going to have to bring like a full day's meal with me. I won't ever be able to go out and grab a lunch. So I thought this was a perfect thing. I like to make a lot of salads for lunch, and I was finding that my big salad bowl wasn't fitting in my current lunch bag very well. I'd have to like turn it on its side and put it in, and then it wasn't ideal. But this one, when I saw this, I thought, you know what? This one actually is going to fit perfectly. So it's got lots of space inside there, and I'm really happy to get it. I love the pattern. Now I feel bad for people who chose this item but were not able to receive it. A lot of people that I know in the community, and even friends that subscribe to the box, have said they've been contacted and told that the quality of the new coolers that came in were not to their standard, and they are substituting it for an item in the box. I think they substituted my friend's item, and they also gave her a credit of $25. So, I mean, when Fabfitfun does something that makes a mistake or screws up, I've always found their customer service to be really good. Okay, that was number 2. Number 3 is, we're really keeping with the picnic theme here. I could actually have an entire picnic with everything that's in these first 3 items here. Okay, so the item for number 3 is a corksicle. So I love the color of this. I love that it has a little sparkle to it, and it comes with a straw. I've heard really great things about this as a cup. It's meant to be a wine tumbler. If anybody knows me, I do not drink wine or coffee or anything like that, but I am a big drinker of water and tea. I could see drinking in this as well. So anyway, I thought this was just too cute to pass up. I've heard so many good things about its insulation properties, and it comes with a little straw, which I realize when I want to have a drink by my bed, I always have a problem with, you have to like sit up to drink. When I saw this flexible straw, the silicone straw, was part of this cup, I thought, you know what's perfect? I could keep this by my bed, so I could have a water, and then how lazy am I wouldn't actually have to sit up to drink it. I could actually bend the straw and it would be sealed and it wouldn't spill, because trust me, I have tried to drink water laying down, and every time I get water, at least it's just water. Anyway, so you could totally do that. Anyway, that's customization number 3. Customization number 4, you could choose from a vitamin C serum, this African Botanicals, some cute little activity books, which I did choose for my other box, and a setting spray. So I went with this because the ingredients were really good. It says it has omega-3 fatty acids in it, and some other, like I think marula oils and stuff. So I went with it for that reason. I thought I'll give it a try. I did get the activity books. I was tempted to even get 2 sets because I have 2 girls, and that way like we could all do them, because it comes with a package of 2. But I decided to try something new, and the dollar value for that was like $69. I thought that was really good. Okay, so customization number 5, and everything matches in my products here as well. It's super cute. I got this gorgeous lemon tray, and now the reason why I got this lemon tray was because when I'm doing paper crafting, I love to like dump out my ephemera and sort around, but yet keep it all sort of contained in one spot. Plus, I thought it would make a super cute backdrop for any photos. And honestly, like, it's a really sweet looking tray that, other than a photo prop, would actually just look really cute. In my other box, in customization 2, I chose the Ray Dunn guac and salsa bowls, and they look super cute as a set on here. So I'm really excited to get this, and I love the quality of it. I'm really glad I got it. This didn't scream to me as the highest value item for customization number 5, because honestly, I feel like I could have got something similar from like a dollar store kind of idea, but it was so cute, and I knew that I would use it the most out of all of that. And I did have another customization choice. In my other choice, I got a selfie ring light that I don't plan on using for selfies, but I plan on using for taking photos of my paper crafts. You know, put it on my cell phone and then just have good lighting on my paper projects. And then in the last category, you could choose a bundle of 3, a bundle of 2, or a standout product. This was a hero item in a previous box that I did receive. I did enjoy it, and I know a number of people were really excited to see this. I was even tempted to add this on to my second box. There were a lot of good choices in this customization 6. So this was one of the items that I put for my customization 6, and this has a huge dollar value as well. Murad products are always really good, and I love getting a few little skincare products in my box. So you can see, like, that's everything that I got for the $50. It's $45 for me because I'm annual and I get that $5 off. I'm going to show you some things that I added on to my box. So I really love these sponge gel. Oh, this is great. Oh, that's wonderful. I did not realize that this sponge gel came with a loop. I actually love the flower shaped sponge gel, and I love when they has the little ribbon to hang it. This was $5, and these are normally like $30 or something crazy. And then I was also able to customize this one that's round, and it's called Daisy. Anyway, I love this. I used one this morning in the shower, and for $5, I was really happy. You could actually have chosen in customization 6, one of the 3-pack bundles had a sponge gel in it, and it was super tempting to get that as part of my box, but there were so many other good things for that choices. I decided I'm just going to add those $5 add-ons onto my box, and then I'm going to choose something else for customization 6. So here are some of my other choices for customization 6. The Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask and the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. I received 2 of these in previous boxes. When I had added on a previous year's box, because this is a throwback item, I didn't choose this item as my customization, but I was sent it in my extra box, and it was fantastic. It was so fantastic, I barely got to use it because my daughter whipped through 2 bottles of it before I barely even got a chance to try it. I really like Erno Laszlo's face care products. I got in the spring box the Erno Laszlo Deep Sea Cleansing Bar. I love it. Both of these items from Erno Laszlo make my skin feel so soft and very clean. So I was excited to try this again. I was tempted to order this in both of my boxes because honestly, I could have just given one to my daughter and had one to use as well. And then this cleanser I haven't tried before, but because I am getting the PMD in my other box, which is a $99 value, which more than pays for my whole other box, I thought this would be a good cleanser to try with my PMD. So that's that. And then the last customization I added on at the last minute, and that was in customization 6. Here's one of the trio bundles. So I've shown you a trio bundle, a double bundle, and now a single bundle, because those last 2 were a double bundle. So that was one customization choice. You got both of those 2 products. And in this customization choice for number 6, I got these 3 products. When I was watching a few unboxings just the last day before customization closed, I saw several people unbox this lip butter lip mask, and everyone that unboxed it loved it. Not only did they love it, they said it was probably their favorite thing that they got in their box. And look at the stuff that I got in my box. I thought that's got to be high praise. So I thought I better give it a try. And I think it has like a $23 value or something on it. People were saying that they weren't even using it as a lip mask. They were actually even just using it as a like a lip gloss and wearing it either instead of lipstick or on top of their lipstick. I've squeezed out too much. Good thing I did this last. Anyway, it's yeah, everybody said it smells great, it works great. It has a fun sort of yeah, creamy texture to it and a nice sort of fruity smell. So that's really good. And then the last thing I got as an add-on, which was $4, is just a daily concept sort of headband to be able to keep your hair off your face when you're doing your makeup or cleansing or whatever. So I thought that was great. I will leave a link down below to a $10 off coupon if you're interested in giving this box a try. I highly recommend Fabfitfun. I have tried many boxes, but Fabfitfun has always been my favorite. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.